Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys for being here, for always showing up for my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a short one. We are unboxing my new baby. We bought a DJI Action 5 Pro camera. So this camera, it has good rating. The reviews are extremely great, so I thought I should just get something and invest on my content, and something that's very portable that I can be able to vlog without getting attention, so I can be able to hide it wherever I want to hide it, in store and so it comes with all those accessories. So it has, the one thing that I love, it's because of it has 3 batteries, guys, 3 original batteries, and it comes with an extension rod, and it has a case where you can protect it. Even if you put a case in the camera, it doesn't look big, it's not even heavy. It comes with the Type-C charger, right? And it has what do you call it, the cover lens, right? The protector. And yeah, it's very nice. I definitely love it, and it's easy to use, like and the fact that it also comes with these 2 screws that you can mount. You can screw on the mounting thingy, the small mount cable, if I may call it. So it comes with that small one. That one, it's magnetic. You can be able to plug it wherever you want your camera to sit, guys. You understand? And the fact that it's waterproof, it's a bonus. It's waterproof, guys. And yeah, I definitely love this camera. I was so conflicted to buy the Pocket 3 Osmo or this one. So I went through the reviews, and yes, the Pocket 3 is that slick camera. It's easy to hold. It has better light quality in the dark, but this was the most voted, and I've seen a lot of American creators returning their Pocket 3 and swap them for the Action 5. How crazy is that? There I was, but I've heard a lot of South Africans complaining about the what do you call the screen on the Pocket 3. So I guess this is the best investment, and this also, it's cheaper, and I decided to buy a used one which has been refurbished, and it's so great. It doesn't even look like it has been used, and I hope I'm going to enjoy it. And yeah, but I'm gonna try and shoot a few content, and let's put it to the test and see how we love it. Look at that, what the heck, it looks so amazing. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a purple heart. Please do watch it, to watch the video until the end. I totally appreciate you guys. I hope you are enjoying the Vlogtober content, even though it's not gonna be too much, but I pray I have the energy to edit everything so you guys can have content for the whole of October. Bye, love you, bye.